Your skin is trying to tell you something, and most people completely ignore it. One morning you wake up, look in the mirror, and notice something different. Fine lines near the eyes, a wrinkle that wasn't there last year, skin that feels a little thinner, a little less firm. And the strange part is, it doesn't happen overnight. Aging creeps in quietly. But here is something most people over 60 never hear from their doctors. Wrinkles are not only about age, they are often about hydration and what you put into your body every single day. Doctors who study aging skin often reveal a simple secret. The skin loses something extremely important as we age. That substance is collagen. Collagen is the protein that keeps skin firm, smooth, and elastic. When you are young, your body produces plenty of it. That's why children have smooth skin and bounce back quickly from cuts or bruises. But after the age of 40, collagen production slowly starts to decline. By the time someone reaches 60 or 70, the body may be producing far less collagen than it used to. This is when wrinkles deepen, skin becomes thinner, dryness appears, and the glow that once made the skin look alive slowly fades. But here is something encouraging part. Certain natural ingredients added to water can help support hydration, protect collagen, and even stimulate the body's ability to rebuild some of what has been lost. Many doctors and nutrition researchers say these simple additions to your daily water routine may help the skin look smoother, healthier, and more youthful over time. And the best part is, most of them are simple foods you may already have in your kitchen. Let's begin with something surprisingly powerful. Lemon. A slice of fresh lemon in water may look simple, but it carries one of the most important nutrients for skin health, vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production. Without enough vitamin C, the body simply cannot build strong collagen fibers. This means your skin loses its structure faster. When you add fresh lemon slices to a glass of water, you create a gentle vitamin C drink that supports hydration while also helping the body maintain collagen. Doctors often recommend vitamin C-rich foods because they also act as antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage skin cells, accelerate aging, and break down collagen. Sunlight, pollution, stress, and even poor diet can increase free radicals in the body, but antioxidants help neutralize them. This is why something as simple as lemon water can be a small but meaningful step toward healthier skin. Many people also notice that lemon water encourages them to drink more water overall, and hydration is one of the biggest secrets to smoother-looking skin. When the body is dehydrated, skin cells shrink and wrinkles appear deeper. When the body is properly hydrated, skin cells become fuller and more flexible. The next powerful addition to water is cucumber. Cucumber water has been used for centuries in wellness traditions. There's a reason spas around the world serve it. Cucumbers contain silica, a trace mineral that helps support connective tissue, including collagen. Silica plays a role in maintaining skin elasticity. It also supports hair and nail health. When thin cucumber slices sit in water, they slowly release minerals and natural compounds that support hydration. Cucumber also contains antioxidants that calm inflammation. Inflammation is one of the hidden drivers of skin aging. When the body stays in a constant state of low-grade inflammation, collagen breaks down faster. By reducing inflammation, cucumber water may help protect the skin structure. It is refreshing, light, and easy to drink throughout the day. Another remarkable ingredient many doctors recommend is ginger. Ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation not only affects joints and muscles, but also accelerates visible aging in the skin. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols that help reduce inflammation and support circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reaching the skin. When blood flow improves, skin cells receive the nourishment they need to repair themselves. Adding a few thin slices of fresh ginger to warm water or room temperature water can create a soothing drink that supports both digestion and skin health. Many people also find that ginger water helps reduce bloating and supports metabolism. And when the digestive system works better, the skin often reflects that improvement. The next ingredient may surprise you: chia seeds. These tiny seeds are incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fats help maintain the skin's natural barrier. This barrier keeps moisture inside the skin and prevents dryness. Dry skin tends to wrinkle faster because it lacks the hydration needed to maintain smooth texture. When chia seeds soak in water, they form a gel-like coating. This gel contains fiber and healthy fats that support hydration from the inside out. Omega-3 fatty acids also help reduce inflammation and support collagen stability. Many dermatologists emphasize that healthy fats are essential for youthful skin. Without them, the skin becomes fragile and dull. Just a teaspoon of soaked chia seeds in water can provide a gentle boost of nutrients that support skin health. Next comes something many people overlook: green tea. Although most people think of it as a hot drink, cooled green tea can also be used as a powerful base for hydration. Green tea contains polyphenols, especially a compound called EGCG. These compounds are well studied for their ability to protect skin from oxidative stress. They may also help slow the breakdown of collagen caused by ultraviolet radiation. In other words, green tea helps defend the skin from environmental aging. People who regularly drink green tea often show lower levels of inflammation and better overall skin health. Some studies even suggest green tea may improve skin elasticity and hydration over time. Drinking it regularly can be a gentle way to support long-term skin resilience. Another simple but powerful addition to water is aloe vera. Aloe vera has been used for centuries as a skin healing plant. Most people know it as a gel applied directly to the skin, especially after sun exposure. But aloe vera juice diluted in water can also support skin hydration from the inside. Aloe contains vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants that support tissue repair. Some researchers believe aloe may help stimulate fibroblasts, the cells responsible for producing collagen. When fibroblasts work properly, they help maintain skin thickness and elasticity. A small amount of food-grade aloe juice added to water can provide gentle hydration support. However, moderation is important. A little goes a long way. The final water addition doctors often recommend may be the most comforting of all: turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound. Curcumin has been studied for its ability to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation contributes to collagen breakdown and accelerates visible aging. Turmeric also helps fight oxidative stress, which damages skin cells over time. Adding a small pinch of turmeric to warm water, often combined with a little black pepper, may enhance absorption. Some people also add a small amount of honey for taste. This warm drink has been part of traditional wellness routines for generations. Many individuals say they leave their skin looking brighter and healthier over time. But here is something extremely important to understand. No single drink will erase wrinkles overnight. The internet often promises miracles, but real skin health works differently. Your skin reflects the habits you repeat every single day. Hydration, nutrition, sleep, and stress management all work together to influence how your skin ages. When you support your body with the right nutrients and hydration, your skin often responds gradually. It becomes more resilient, more hydrated, more alive. And something interesting begins to happen. Instead of trying to fight aging, you start supporting your body's natural repair systems. Doctors who specialize in longevity often say the same thing. Small daily habits matter more than expensive treatments. A simple glass of water enhanced with natural ingredients may seem small, but repeated every day, it becomes a powerful routine. Many people over 60 notice that when they drink more water and include nutrient-rich additions, their skin begins to change. Fine lines may appear softer, dryness improves, energy levels rise, even digestion often improves, because hydration supports nearly every function in the body, and when the body functions better, the skin reflects that inner health. There is also another secret many dermatologists quietly mention. Sugar and highly processed foods accelerate collagen loss. These foods cause a process called glycation. Glycation damages collagen fibers, making them stiff and weak. When collagen loses flexibility, wrinkles deepen faster. Replacing sugary drinks with nutrient-rich water mixtures can dramatically reduce this damage over time. It's a simple shift with powerful effects. Another factor that affects collagen is sleep. During deep sleep, the body releases growth hormone. Growth hormone helps repair tissues, including skin cells. If someone sleeps poorly for long